Building wealth doesn't always mean making noise or flaunting success. Imagine quietly growing your finances without feeling the need to show it off. Is it possible to achieve financial freedom without shouting it from the rooftops? In this video, we'll uncover stealth wealth, a powerful, underrated approach to wealth building that relies on subtle, disciplined actions instead of flashy displays. Get ready to explore the art of creating wealth quietly, yet effectively. Number 1. Understanding stealth wealth. Stealth wealth is all about intentional financial decisions aimed at long-term success, not short-term satisfaction. It's not about avoiding every luxury or depriving yourself, but about making wise choices that contribute to quiet, powerful financial growth. For instance, a person practicing stealth wealth might drive a reliable car rather than a luxury one, saving the difference to invest in stocks or real estate. By channeling money into growth instead of showiness, they're working toward financial freedom on their terms. Number 2. Keeping a low financial profile. A low financial profile allows you to avoid the social pressures and expectations that come with visible wealth. Think of someone who earns a high income but lives in a modest home and wears simple clothes. Neighbors may see them as average, but behind the scenes, this person is steadily building investments and assets. This choice to remain understated not only prevents overspending, but also accelerates their journey to financial independence, redirecting funds toward assets like dividend stocks or rental properties instead of status symbols. Number 3. Focusing on asset building. Instead of indulging in luxury goods, those following stealth wealth principles put their income into assets that provide returns. They invest in things like real estate, retirement funds, and index funds, options that grow steadily over time. Picture someone who buys a rental property rather than a fancy car. That property provides ongoing cash flow, helping them build wealth quietly. This strategy prioritizes long-term rewards over short-lived excitement, making every dollar work toward future financial freedom. Number 4. Living below your means. Living below your means is central to stealth wealth. This approach doesn't mean depriving yourself, but consciously spending less than you earn. For instance, if you get a raise, instead of upgrading your lifestyle, consider keeping things as they are and investing the extra income. This choice builds a financial cushion that can cover emergencies, increase savings, or even lead to early retirement. The goal is to enjoy the freedom that comes from smart spending, not from living paycheck to paycheck. Number 5. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation can silently derail your wealth-building journey. Many people start spending more as their income grows, feeling tempted to upgrade their lifestyle, like moving to a bigger house or buying a new car. But those who practice stealth wealth resist this urge. They recognize that a higher standard of living comes with higher costs, which can make it challenging to save and invest. By maintaining their lifestyle despite higher earnings, they create extra income that goes straight into investments, building a financial buffer and securing their future. Number 6. Maintaining privacy. One of the greatest advantages of stealth wealth is the privacy it brings. When you don't advertise your financial success, you're less likely to attract unwanted attention. Imagine someone who keeps their achievements low-key, avoiding flashy posts of luxury items or expensive vacations on social media. This quiet approach shields them from scammers and people who might want to take advantage. In a world where oversharing is common, maintaining financial privacy provides a level of protection from risks like identity theft or social pressure. This low profile also helps keep personal relationships authentic, as people won't be influenced by perceived wealth. By making the conscious choice to keep their finances private, stealth wealth practitioners protect both their resources and their peace of mind, while staying focused on their financial journey. Number 7. Finding fulfillment beyond material possessions. True happiness isn't found in the latest gadgets or designer clothes. It's found in meaningful experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Practitioners of stealth wealth recognize this and choose fulfillment that doesn't depend on flashy items. For instance, rather than buying a new luxury watch, they might opt for a weekend retreat or family adventure that creates memories and joy. This mindset shift allows them to escape the endless pursuit of material possessions and focus on what genuinely brings joy. By placing greater value on experiences and relationships, they also avoid unnecessary expenses and free up funds for investment. This approach not only enhances their happiness, but reinforces their financial discipline, helping them save more. Embracing fulfillment beyond materialism builds long-lasting satisfaction and makes wealth a tool, not an identity. Number 8. Practicing smart frugality. Frugality in the context of stealth wealth isn't about denying yourself essentials. It's about spending wisely and valuing quality. Practicing smart frugality means choosing items and experiences that offer long-term value. For instance, a stealth wealth practitioner might invest in a durable pair of shoes that lasts years, rather than several cheap pairs that wear out quickly. Similarly, they may choose energy-efficient appliances that cost more upfront but lead to savings on utility bills over time. This strategic spending approach not only saves money but also reduces waste and supports a more sustainable lifestyle. By focusing on value and quality over quantity, they avoid unnecessary expenses and redirect their savings toward wealth building. Number 9. Setting clear financial goals. Setting financial goals is a crucial step in building wealth through stealth. Practitioners of stealth wealth set clear, achievable financial goals that guide their decisions and keep them on track. For example, a stealth wealth enthusiast might have goals like retiring early, saving for a home, or funding their child's education. With these goals in mind, they create a plan, set milestones, and review progress regularly. This disciplined approach helps them resist impulsive purchases that could derail their objectives. Instead, they stay focused, redirecting extra income toward investments that align with their long-term plans. Having specific goals also makes it easier to make sacrifices or delay gratification, knowing it contributes to a bigger financial picture. Number 10. Embracing simplicity in everyday life. Embracing simplicity aligns perfectly with stealth wealth principles, as it allows for quiet but effective wealth building. Practitioners of stealth wealth make thoughtful choices in daily life, like cooking at home instead of dining out or opting for public transportation over multiple cars. They choose homes that meet their needs without the added cost of luxury, freeing up funds for savings and investments. This approach isn't about deprivation, but about finding joy in simple, cost-effective living. By reducing expenses, they increase their ability to save and invest, which speeds up the wealth-building process. This lifestyle brings a sense of peace and freedom from constant financial pressures, allowing them to focus on personal growth and meaningful relationships. Number 11. Building multiple income streams. Creating multiple income streams adds financial security and growth potential. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky, but adding new streams fortifies your financial position. For instance, someone might have a primary job but also invest in rental properties, start a small side business, or earn dividends from stocks. These additional income sources increase financial resilience and enable wealth building even when times get tough. Number 12. Staying consistent and patient. Consistency and patience are the foundations of stealth wealth. Financial success doesn't come overnight, it's built slowly and steadily. Stealth wealth practitioners understand this journey is more of a marathon than a sprint. By saving, investing, and living below their means consistently, they create a substantial financial base over time. For example, consistently investing $500 a month in an index fund for 20 years can grow into a significant retirement fund, proving that patience pays off. The journey to wealth doesn't need loud announcements or extravagant displays. By quietly adopting the principles of stealth wealth, like maintaining a low profile, focusing on assets, and finding happiness beyond possessions, you can build a strong financial future with ease. Remember, true wealth lies not in what others see, but in what you quietly grow. If you enjoyed these tips, please give us a like, subscribe, and join our community for more insights on achieving financial freedom without the noise. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.